So we are starting a new examples. We are starting examples on double angle and triple formula. The first example goes, if 2a plus b equals 45 degrees, show that tan b equals 1 minus 2 tan a minus tan squared a all over 1 plus 2 tan a minus tan squared a. So we are given that 2a plus b equals 45 degrees. Can I make b the subject? What will be b? It will be 45 minus 2a. Then I can see there is a tan. Introducing tangent on both sides. When you introduce it, what does it become? It becomes tan b equals tan 2 45 minus 2a. So can we open the brackets? We have got tan b equals tan 45 minus tan 2a all over 1 plus tan 45 tan 2a. But tan 45 equals 1. And tan 2a, we derived it is 2 tan a all over 1 minus tan squared a. So we are going to substitute in those stuffs. We have tan b equals, do we know the tan of 45 is 1 minus tan 2a all over 1 plus tan 2a. But do we know tan 2a? Tan 2a is already 2 tan a. We go tan b equals 1 minus 2 tan a out of 1 minus tan squared a all over 1 plus 2 tan a out of 1 minus tan squared a. So this is like out of 1. We find the LCM. It becomes 1 minus tan squared a minus 2 tan a out of 1 minus tan squared a divided by the same, so you get the LCM. We are having 1 minus tan squared a plus 2 tan a all over 1 minus tan squared a. So we go ahead, this is the same as 1 minus tan squared a minus 2 tan a all over 1 minus tan squared a times 1 minus tan squared a all over 1 minus tan squared a plus 2 tan a. This and this disappears. So what do we remain with? We are having tan b equals 1 minus tan squared a minus 2 tan a all over 1 minus tan squared a plus 2 tan a. And we can rearrange it in the way they have told us. Therefore, tan b equals 1 minus 2 tan a minus tan squared a all over 1 plus 2 tan a minus tan squared a as required. So I've tried to derive that one up to that point. So I've followed all the steps, and what they have requested us, it has kindly tried to come out.